Hey everyone, it's Nini here, aka Nini Naturals, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, then please hit that subscribe button down below and welcome to the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, then thank you so much for tuning into another video. So today guys, I am actually going to be doing my hair in this video, hence the reason why my hair is blow dried. But I do want to link up a video up here that I actually used the new Texture ID Coils line to complete my wash day. I used their shampoo, their conditioner, and also their deep conditioning mask to get these results right here. And I wanted to say that I really did enjoy all the three products that I used. So I wanted to try out their styling products to see how a styled result would look on my hair using their products. So the first thing I do want to say is I am going to be trying out their Texture ID Coils Daily Moisturizing Cream, and I'm also going to be trying out their Twist Butter. So I'm super excited about using these products. I've actually never used a styling product from Texture ID other than their, what is it, their Twist, I don't know, it's some cream that they have, which is right back there somewhere. But I'm super excited about trying these out because I really like the products that I use to wash my hair, and so to style my hair, I'm super excited about doing that. So I wanted to say that I blew out my hair because I want to do a elongated twist out. I haven't really done one of those before, so I'm super excited about trying that out. But don't come for me, number one, because I do need a trim. It's okay, I'm going to get one soon. You know, I take good care of my hair, but it is definitely time for a trim. So we're going to go ahead and get started into that style. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright guys, so like I said before, I'm going to be using their Coils Daily Moisturizing Cream. And this cream states that it's supposed to hydrate and soften extremely dry hair. It also contains the same products as the shampoo, the conditioner, and the deep conditioner, which is sweet almond oil, honey, and yogurt extract, and it's also for type 4 hair. It states it's supposed to offer intense hydration and is light enough to be used daily without buildup. Won't be using it daily, but you can use it to refresh, wash, and go, and twist out style. So I'm going to be using this basically as my leave-in. And the Twist Butter also does have sweet almond oil, honey, and yogurt extract, and it's supposed to seal in moisture, condition dry hair, and the scalp. So I'll be using this as my styling product. So basically these products smell kind of like the shampoo, conditioner, and the deep conditioner has like a sweet, fresh smell. With the Twist Butter, it smells the exact same thing. So they all smell very sweet. You can kind of smell the honey in it, and I love sweet almond oil. Is one of my favorite oils to seal in moisture with, and I'm actually going to be using that oil to seal in my moisture as I'm using these two products. So what I'm going to do before we get started into the products and the style, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off into 4 sections. Alright, so my hair is in these 4 sections here, and like I said, I'm going to be using these products to create a twist out. So I'm going to do about maybe medium size sections. So let's see, I think sections like this big is going to be good enough. So I'm not quite sure if I want to use water on my hair because I'm kind of afraid of it reverting back. I think just a little. And I'm using my spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray some into my hand and kind of put it on there just to give it a base of moisture before we put the leave-in in. There we go. So like I said, this is the leave-in, well, the Daily Moisturizing Cream, which I'm going to use as a leave-in. And let's see what it looks like. So we don't need that much product. I'll say about that much. It kind of looks like this. And it's super creamy and lightweight. It still smells so good. Like, this whole line smell is just so good. Like, it's not overpowering or anything. It just smells so good. So now is the twisting butter, and it kind of looks like this. So it's not thick, like it's really creamy. It doesn't really remind me of, you know, butters are thick, but this is kind of like a twisted cream to me. Like, it's not a butter at all. So we're gonna take about just that much and put that over my hair, and if I need more, of course I'll add more. So we're going to take equal size sections and start twisting down. To get a very good twist out, you guys want to make sure that you twist tightly, because if you twist loosely, then of course your twist won't hold shape, and then your hair is not going to look good at all. Like, it's going to look frizzy, undefined, and all of that. So just make sure that your hair is twisted tightly. And I'm just going to add a little bit more product at the ends. Then when I get to the ends, I'm going to coil it. And this is our first twist. It looks really juicy. All right, so this is basically what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to use the leave-in cream and then also, the moisturizing cream, and then also the twist butter, and I'm going to twist my entire head. So I'm going to put on some music and let you guys enjoy. I'm going to let my hair air dry for the rest of the day, and then tomorrow I will come back to you guys for the takedown. So I will see you guys later. Alright, so this is the next day, and these are how my twists are looking like. Guys, when I tell you my hair felt super soft and my twists were ultimately shiny. So now it's the takedown, and here I'm using some sweet almond oil to rub on my twists to not cause any unnecessary frizz while I'm unraveling them. And I do this every time I have a twist out. So here you guys are just seeing me untwist the twist one by one, and I will be also separating my hair about maybe 3 or 4 times per twist. So you'll be seeing me do that here. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like after I have unraveled all of the twists, and I like it. I really do like how my hair came out. So just to give out my overall review on these two products, the Daily Moisturizing Cream, I mean, it was lightweight and it really did make my hair feel very airy, and you didn't have to use a lot of this at all. I really felt like it was moisturizing to my hair. It does say Daily Moisturizing Cream, but I wouldn't use it daily at all. Like, it just felt like a regular leave-in conditioner to me. I've had better leave-in conditioners than this, but it got the job done. And like I said, it really did moisturize my hair. It didn't have a lot of slip when I was putting it onto my hair, and it could be because my hair was blown out, but it did provide a structure for before I styled my hair with the twisting butter. So I did like this cream. Like I said, it's basically just a leave-in, and it did make my hair feel very moisturized. Now onto the twisting butter. Like I said, this is not a texture of a butter at all. It's not super thick. It's kind of a creamy texture. It really did allow my twist to kind of form and provide the definition that I needed. Like I said, it is super voluminous. I'm not sure how long my hair will last like this because it doesn't have like a super strong hold, but I really think I will get about maybe 2 or 3 days out of this, and I may have to like retwist it throughout the week. Hopefully I don't have to, but the moisture that I got from both of these products were really good. Like I said, my hair feels very soft to the touch. Like I said, my hair is defined with like a light hold, but it does feel really good. So for the entire Texture ID Coils line, I really did enjoy every product that I did try. The least favorite thing, I would guess you could say, is this daily moisturizing cream, but everything else was, I don't know, it just felt really good, and I really did love all the products. So I love Texture ID anyway, and just to have the Coils line as a backup to the original, I love it. I love all of it. So that is basically my review, and I love the results that I got. I'm just gonna give you guys a close up now. Like, look at that definition. If you guys enjoyed my video, then please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment down below, and let me know if you tried these products at all. If there's any more products that you guys want me to review, please leave them down in the comment box, and I'll try to get these products for you and try to review them, because I do have a lot of products and there are some here on this shelf I haven't reviewed yet, but I will get there. But just let me know what you guys want me to review. You know, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the Nitty Naturals family, so you won't ever miss any time I upload a video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.